3 ways to recover deleted files from SD card to Android phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we will guide you through on how we can recover data from your SD card if it is deleted. So let's go into the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So one of the method is head over to your file manager of your device. After opening up your file manager, if you have deleted any of the files, there is a built-in feature where you will be finding and recycle bin. So in order to find those deleted files, you may just head over to the recycle bin. At the bottom you can find that, and here if any files or folders is available that you may have accidentally deleted from your SD card, you're just gonna select that. After that you will find a recovery option. You're just gonna recover it. So that's one of the methods. Other than that, we have another method which is from the Google Drive. So in order to do that, first of all, you need to launch the Google Drive application on your device. After that, you're gonna look up for your files here. So you're just gonna directly open up your Google Files here, and at the top bar you can find a menu bar at the top left corner. After that, you will be finding a bin section here. Just go ahead and click on bin, and after clicking on bin, if any items are deleted which are not available on your device, you will be finding those items in the bin here. So you're just gonna simply select those files from this bin section as well. After that, simply recover it. You'll be finding a recovering option if you've selected, so simply select it from there as well. Other than that, we have this Cool Master Lab for Android. So you're just gonna go ahead and download this Cool Master Lab on your computer. You're just gonna launch the Cool Master Lab on your computer. After that, after installing it on your computer and entering in the Android recovery module, and on step 2, you're just gonna select the SD card recovery mode from the top menu, and you will be directed to an interface as shown below. You can see this connect micro SD to PC. After that is done, there it is very necessary to connect the SD card to your computer using an SD card reader, and after that is done, on step 3 you're just gonna go ahead and click on next after selecting the SD card, and you will see a list of all the inserted SD cards in your computer. You're just gonna simply check the disk drive that you want to scan and then tap on next to initiate the scanning process. After that is done, on step 4, upon the completion of the scanning process, a list of recoverable files of types will be presented. You're just gonna go ahead and select it. You can preview the files, choose the ones you wish to recover after that, and then you're just gonna afterward click the recover button to save the selected files on your computer, and that should do it. So that's how you basically do it. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.